At TenPoint Complete, we help businesses strengthen relationships, streamline operations, and deliver exceptional customer experiences every single day. For over 2 decades, organizations across the country have trusted TenPoint Complete to handle the critical conversations that help build and strengthen brands and help companies grow. So what do? One of our core services focuses on post-experience engagement. In many cases, this takes the form of a survey that measures how a company is doing on key operational components like communication, quality, timeliness, delivery, and overall willingness to recommend to a friend or family member. Survey answers can be translated into key performance indicators or KPIs, such as a customer satisfaction index or net promoter score, also known as a CSI or NPS score. At TenPoint Complete, we deliver omni-channel communications, meaning we engage via email, SMS text, MMS video, and live agent. And at TenPoint Complete, our live agents are US-based out of our longtime facility outside of Columbus, Ohio. But at TenPoint Complete, we take it a step further. We give your customer the optional ability to provide video feedback right off of their smart device. For feedback from promoters, this provides powerful testimonial content that can be leveraged on many platforms and integrated into marketing and sales campaigns. For those that weren't so happy, valuable operational feedback is captured so that you and your team can improve. What makes TenPoint Complete unique is our commitment to partnership. We don't just provide services, we integrate seamlessly into your organization. Our onboarding process is tailored to your goals, systems, and culture, ensuring our team feels like an extension of yours from day one. At TenPoint Complete, reliability, integrity, and customer care aren't just values, they're the foundation of everything we do. Ready to take your customer experience and operational support to the next level? Visit tenpointcomplete.com today and see how we can help your business work smarter, serve better, and grow stronger together.